Effortless concealed hinge installation. Streamline your cabinet assembly with this precision drilling jig designed for swift and accurate installation of Euro-style hinges. Quick setup, perfect alignment. Tool-free inset positioning and pilot hole guides guarantee flawless hinge alignment, saving you time and ensuring consistent results. Versatile hinge inset options. Accommodate different needs with 3, 4, 5, and 6 mm hinge inset positions, effortlessly establishing the correct door edge distance. Meticulous construction. The jig boasts a glass fiber reinforced nylon body for a lightweight yet durable design. A spring-loaded drill guide protects door surfaces, while an inbuilt depth stop prevents over-drilling. Comprehensive package. This kit includes a 35 mm TCT machine bit with cutting spurs for clean edges in various materials. The pin guide system minimizes setup time and maximizes accuracy, while the large clamping area secures the jig during use.